Let's get you more updates now. The center is launching random sampling surveys to find out at what stage of the pandemic the country is in. And this is a very important survey that is being conducted to exactly find out the stage at which the country is in dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. Now, starting this week, the ICMR will be conducting a community-based survey by collecting blood samples of 24,000 individuals in 69 of the districts across 21 states. This survey is going to be completed within 15 days. Additionally, the Health Ministry is also conducting a survey in the healthcare facilities. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Ayushman, good morning. This is perhaps a very important government survey to assess the community outbreak of the virus. And this is being done by both the ICMR and the Health Ministry. First of all, let's talk about the ICMR survey. How is this survey going to be done?
Apurva, currently the ICMR has identified 69 districts all across the country where the community prevalence of the COVID-19 will be checked. And for that reason, only from each district, we are expecting the ICMR to collect 400 sample. And all across the country, we are expecting it to collect about 24,000 samples. These samples will be the blood serum will be taken, and this will be put to test via the ELISA kit, which has been developed by the NIV Pune. Remember, the rapid action kits, their functions were in question, and for that reason only now the ELISA kit developed by the NIV will be used here. And we are being told that about a fortnight will be taken for studying the entire process, and then we will get to know as to what is the stage we are in right now. In the household, one person from one family from 10 of the clusters in one district will be tested. The blood serum will be taken, and then the test will be conducted. This is the ICMR. This is the test which ICMR is conducting this survey in along with the NCDC, and also the Health Ministry is involved. Also, the help from WHO will be taken in this, Apurva.
All right, you were speaking to us about the Health Ministry as well. Now, in addition to what the ICMR is doing, the survey that ICMR is conducting, we understand the Health Ministry is also going to be conducting a similar survey. Can you talk us through the details of the Health Ministry survey and what are the parameters of the survey?
Well, Purva, basically there are two survey for community prevalence in the country right now. So one is population based, which is being done by the ICMR, and second is health facility based. So this is being done by the Health Ministry, and as per this, all across the 733 districts which India has, in every district, 6 of the government hospital and 4 of the private hospital will be collecting around 200 samples. In the ICMR study, we will see only the blood serum being taken, but in the Health Ministry survey, we will see both the nasal swab and the throat swab, which will be used for the RT-PCR test, and also the blood serum will be taken in this sample from all across the district. It won't, every district, 10 hospitals will be selected, and from there, the pregnant women, the healthcare workers, and all those people who are currently visiting the hospitals, randomly, the samples will be taken. Apurva, we know this comes apart from the fact that already the Health Ministry has instructed the districts to collect ILI, influenza-like illness, and SARI patient sample already. So this is this test which the Health Ministry is conducting now for all across the district. It is on the healthcare facility based survey, which will determine whether the community transmission has taken in the districts or not. In the population based, ICMR will check in 60 districts whether the community transmission has taken place or not.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and giving us all those updates.